2013 Ram 2500 Laramie 6.7 Cummins. Hi everyone, this is Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. Let's talk about this truck. One owner, Carfax has two. We bought it from the estate. They had to put the title into the probate or where the heck you call it. So shows two owners, but it was the same family. It was an estate vehicle. 108,000 miles, clear Carfax, independently inspected. When we got it in, it needed some things. Got brand new tires, brand new battery, new windshield, fresh oil change, all the filters, including both fuel filters. So maintenance is done on it. She's tip-top. She's ready to go. What else can we tell you about it? It is the blue that shows everything. Got a couple little scratches and dents, hail dents here and there. Not a lot, like 5 or 6. Little dents here and there on the cab and the box. Heated and cooled seats up front, heated rear seats. Got the factory roof. The Alpine, the remote starter, the factory navigation, steering wheel controls. You name it, it's got all the goodies in it. Pretty much as loaded as these trucks came in 2013. Has the BW turnover. Little storage container there. Boards, again, brand new tires, the tow package. It's new enough that it can still get financed. So get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com. That is AutoramaAuto.com. And we can get you pre-approved and have you in and out of our office in less than 15 minutes. Also, that we're not like the big box stores there. We're not going to sell you all the crap. We're not going to keep you all day. In and out, 15, 20 minutes when you're pre-approved. No reason to be there all day. Also, unlike the big stores, is we're going to advertise a real price. We don't have hidden junk fees. We do have a $145 dock fee. Otherwise, the price you see is the price you pay. The price we have it on the window is a price you can drive it away for. So let's recap. One owner, clear Carfax, new tires, fresh service, fresh reconditioning, independently inspected, fast financing, no hidden fees. Come and experience the Autorama Advantage.